All right, so we're here at our friend's Suparee booth. They got a pretty impressive booth this year. I'm really surprised at how thought out it is. We'll go over some of the stuff we see here today, show you guys what we see, and definitely think you guys would enjoy looking at some of their products. We've used their third brake light on our Bronco, and we probably plan on buying some more of their stuff here in the near future. So hang tight. So we got here some of their pod lights. So this is the top is the light bar. There's a Bronco friend of ours, Lila. She has this on her Raptor or her Bronco. So it's definitely something you want to probably check out if you want to see it in action. Now these can change different colors. You can do the amber and the white for the. Check that out. There you go. See how it's white, the driving lights? Now it's amber. And of course, then you turn the lights on. These things are really bright. So check that out. They have a control panel here as well you can use. Some of their other lights. So they have these, they're called the Hyper series. There's a Hyper R, which is the round series. Hyper 3. And you can see some of the details here. And here's a QR code if you want to pause and scan that. And up here we have the Hyper 5 and 8. This is referring to the light bar. You can see some of the specs here. This looks really nice. Very impressed by the aesthetics as well as the functionality. So they do have their stuff together on this thing, so be sure to check them out. The Hyper 5, which is right here. Also, you have the options changing these to amber versus white DRL. You have case covers here. You have a smoked one, and you have a yellow one. I know some places they require that by law, so they got you hooked up there. Here's some of the dynamics on it. If you want to check that out. Very cool display here this year. Over here's some of the big boys. So these are the helm lights. Now, a lot of people might use these on their front bumper. I know that's probably where we would use them on ours. One of the cool features that we have here is that these little frames here that mount around the light, you can actually like DIY whatever pattern or color you want. So if you want to do like prismatic powders or just do like some primer and some color match, however you want to do it, you can see here they have a few. These first two are black, but here's one that's a little different color. There's some examples of some of the stuff you can do. You can mismatch too. If you want to be patriotic, you can do red, white, and of course, or red, blue, and then the white would be the light itself. And here's one with a little bit more of a chrome look. Helm 7 here, you can see kind of some of the details about it. Check it out. Sometimes they do have sales, so you can always try to get a little bit cheaper if you can. All right, so here we go with the Recons. Now these lights are pretty comparable for others on the market as far as size, but they do have a really good output. So you can see here, and these are the 1-inch, so these are the smaller ones. Sometimes it comes in handy to use smaller ones because maybe the other ones won't fit. So that's the Recon 1 spotlight, and then here's the wide light. So this might be more if you use it for fog or maybe some ditches. Over here you have the Recon 2, which is the 2 inches wide. You see here they have covers as well. You can go amber or smoke. Here's some of the specifications on those. And down here you'll see this. If you're familiar with our channel, you'll know that this is where this is for. This is a kit for the factory modular bumper where you can put it in there. Guys, if you've had a Bronco, you know that it's kind of hard to fit larger lights down here just because the space is limited. Well, they put this frame in here and it gives you a more professional stock look, kind of like what you see on a Ford Raptor or a Bronco Raptor. So I like the way they did that. It looks really nice with the combination that they do there. The bracket looks like it fit perfectly. So something that you also want to consider as well. And over here is just a little bit of a mini light bar, and you can mix and match it as well. You know, if you want to go the wide ones or the tiny ones, however you want to do it. So that's just something else to consider, another option for you. Definitely a lot lively here at the Suparee booth. If you guys are at SEMA, we definitely want to have you come check it out. Little goodies over here and lots of nice lights to look at. So these are definitely going to be on our radar. Hopefully we can get some of these on the Bronco here soon. So anyway, I want to point this out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.